G'day, here's a couple of Boulder Opal pieces from central Queensland, up near the Opalton area. Rules in millimetres and the material's been wetted. I'll just get a bit closer for you. Okay, the first piece, showing the opal here. It's only thin, goes back there, but I don't think it's going to go anywhere much. I'm just basically selling these as almost practice. That, although you can see opal there, is just on the surface. This is probably the better piece with possibility. It's got a bar of opal or a seam of opal running through here. A little bit undulating, which is normal for Boulder Opal, as you can see there. It's only thin. But maybe just grind it down, see what you get. It's only a few dollars, these couple of bits. There's another. It's got some fire in it there, greens and golds. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.